Hello friends! Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about Honeywell Microswitch. A microswitch, manufactured by Honeywell, is a type of electrical switch that is commonly used in various industries and applications. It is known for its small size, sensitive actuation, and precise switching capabilities. The microswitch consists of a housing with a lever mechanism, a spring, and electrical contacts. When the lever is pressed or moved by an external force, the spring inside the switch quickly responds and causes the contacts to make or break an electrical connection. They are designed to withstand demanding environments, such as industrial settings, where precise and responsive switching is required. These microswitches find applications in a wide range of devices and systems, including home appliances, automotive controls, industrial equipment, safety device features. Broad range of electrical loads: 0.1 ampere, 5 ampere, 10 ampere, 16 ampere, 22 ampere, 26 ampere. Long service life, over 1 million mechanical operations. Gold contacts are also available for controlling logic level/low energy circuits. Worldwide package size acceptance. UL/CSA, COL, ENEC, and CQC approvals. Variants with cadmium-free and optimized contacts. Available. Applications: appliances, furnaces, gaming machines, ice makers, power washers, vending machines,